at our next job. This is a pool removal. So we're taking out the pool, this deck, and we're putting in, basically gonna make it a backyard again. So we're draining the pool right now and starting to take it apart. So the plan here, we're waiting for the pool to drain. Pool's gonna come down today. We're gonna get that out of the way, and we're working on piecing out the deck. We'll take the deck out. We'll haul that away tomorrow, and then once everything's gone, this is all gonna be grass again. You guys checked the address, right? Make sure it was the right house.
You guys get that all the time. It's like it is the right house.
Watch your hands on the metal. You guys know the deal.
Lay her down flat like over there, and then we can fold her in half. So we also... Yeah, that'll work.
Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Well, we'll clean it up, but we gotta come back and get all the wood tomorrow, and then we gotta landscape this whole area on Friday. So day one's complete though. Pool's gone. We'll scrap it in the morning. We'll get some of the wood out of here today too, but went pretty good. Alright, we're on site. I'm a little sweaty. Been moving rock. Show you what we're doing. So there was a deck here, it's gone. There was a pool here, pool's gone, and there was rock all around the edge of this pool and under the deck. So what we're doing is we're moving all the rock. If you notice, there's rock beds all around the property here. So we're moving all the rock to those beds. Gonna grade this out, rake it all out by hand. Timbers are coming out, and then we're bringing in loam. We're gonna fill this all in and make it all grass. That's the plan. All right, we're done here for today. It's gonna start raining soon, but we got all the rock out. We took all the sand from the middle of the pool and kind of spread it out. So we kind of fill in the low spots. We got to do a little bit more work here. Got a couple tree stumps to get out, but other than that, we're good to go for tomorrow. So we'll start hauling in the loom. Fortunately, we're not gonna do it with the machine, but it's not too bad. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, back at the job. We got all the rocks out that were around the perimeter yesterday. Took a lot of the sand that was in the pool base and a little bit of extra and kind of just spread out to, get the area flattened. The pool was up higher than the ground here, so we kind of try to, get all the same level. And he's just kind of running it's a sod roller, but we got to fill with water just to kind of pack in any sand and rocks. That way, any of the residual rock that were left now is kind of packed in with the sand, so it's flat. And then now we're getting got the truck going at loom right now, so should look good by noontime, hopefully. All right, we're all done. So the pool used to be right here, and then the deck was attached. We took down that as well. Took out all the rock around, put down some sand to kind of, even the base off and get any of the rocks packed in, and then we put the loom over. So we just got to seed it in a couple weeks when it starts warming up, but this is all set. We kind of graded it down too. This was a pretty big drop off, so looks pretty good. Had a little bit extra, filled some other spots in the yard, so customer's very happy.